Hello everyone, this is Harsh Mishra. I am a third year student of IIT ISM Dhanbad. I am pursuing a degree in electronics and communication. I am an open source enthusiast and this year I am doing my Google Summer of Code with Aussie organization. I will be discussing the objectives, agile methodology and then features and then web app and at last the tech stacks being used. We were given a task to build a Microsoft Teams clone which could allow two users to connect with each other over a video call. Since we had to create an application in a short span of time, we had to use agile methodology. I divided my 1 month period into 4 sprints. Each sprint would become the base for the further work. So in my methodology, the first sprint was to research what existing technologies are being used. I read about a few articles and finally made a conclusion to use Socket.io and WebRTC. In the second week, my primary goal was to make a very basic web app which could satisfy the minimum functionality. In the third week, I did some further improvements. I kept the last sprint for the ADAPT feature. We were asked to add functionalities through which users could chat without interruption before the meeting and even after the meeting. So let's talk about the features and the web app. On the home page, we have features such as hosting, joining, and login sign up. On the dashboard, we have many custom features. Some of them are custom looks, link sharing, joining rooms, instant meeting rooms, etc. All the features have been explained in the GitHub README. Inside the Meet, we have features such as admit deny, chats, screen share, recording, etc. Now let's have a live demo. So this is the home page and now I will just log in. I have an account made already. I will just sign in and now I will ask other users if we could have a meet now. If they would respond, then we could just join. So yeah, I have joined the meet and let's wait for them. Okay, so yeah, hi Himanshu, hi Divyanshu.
Hi Harsh.
Am I audible and visible?
Yes, you are audible.
So yeah, as you can see, all the chats which were previously held there are here. So let's have a new chat. Hi there. This is from Meet. So these chat are in sync with this one. So even if we just leave the meetings, all the chats will be stored. Now let us talk about a custom functionality which is have a break. So why do we need this feature? To make it clear, let's take Bob, a very hard-working employee. He's too tired with the long meetings. He needs a break, but his manager is explaining something critical. Should he interrupt him? Obviously, that would disrupt the flow of meeting. And now this feature comes into play. Let's have a look at a small demo. It will make everything more clear. So let us see some sorts of the web app. So this is the home page and then dashboard. And let us now discuss about tech stacks. These are the tech stacks being used and thank you.